Hello everybody, today we are doing pancakes. Get your favorite pancake batter or you can make it homemade. Either way, we're going to make it easy. Before I do, you know what I'm going to ask you. Please subscribe to this easy, delicious recipe channel and video. You can also find this video on my YouTube channel that is good to the heart, mind, and the soul. Goddess Love Pancakes. Here's my batter that I made, and I let it set for 5 minutes and I mixed it with oil. We're going to add strawberries to our delicious plate to give it some color. It's not necessary, but whatever fruit that you have, it will make your pancake complete. Go ahead and subscribe to this delicious, easy recipe channel. We add butter so our butter can melt into our pancake. Okay, everybody, this is our strawberry pancakes. I'm going to go ahead and cut them up and let y'all see. Okay, there's our delicious pancakes that are cut up. And we also have in us a glass of milk. Good to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. Y'all have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. These are very easy, delicious recipes and videos. Y'all have a good day. See you on the next video.